In this video, you are going to see the complete review of this BenQ 24-inch monitor after using it for almost a year. Yes, this is a very long-term review. I'll also tell you for how much price I bought this one at the end and for whom it is actually good. Coming to the model, it is the BenQ GW2490. If you also purchase this after watching this review, inside the box, you get this monitor followed by a 16 ampere power cable, one HDMI with version 1.4 cable, a warranty card and safety instructions. The installation is very easy if you are using it on a table. If you want to mount it on a wall or any desk arm, it is different, but yeah, it is possible. Now talking about the features, the good things and bad things, here they are. First things first, the price to features ratio is very good with this monitor. We get a 100Hz refresh rate, 99% sRGB and full HD IPS panel, dual HDMI ports along with a display port, an anti-glare display, speakers, eye care protection and flicker-free technology. These features are something you mostly won't see in other brands at this price range. Coming to my real-world experience, yes, all these features help and I have used most of them. The panel is good with a 1920 by 1080 resolution for a daily workflow. I edited a lot of videos and photos, watched YouTube and did much more. In almost every department, it's good. The bezels are also not too thick on three sides. The bottom side is big, yes, and if you're wondering what is this thing at the bottom, it's a sensor. Coming to the build quality, it is totally made up of plastic, and if you observe, almost all external monitors in this price range come with the same build quality. The color accuracy is also good for editing photos and videos. I told you, right? My everyday workflow with this monitor is editing a lot of videos and photos. If in case you are doing multitasking, yes, you can do it by opening 2 tabs or 3 applications at a time, or maybe even more. The Blue Light Plus option is very useful for reducing the blue light emitted from the screen. So what is the issue with blue light? Short answer, it affects your eyes, health and overall mental well-being. And also we get a lot of controls to change the display colors, HDMI inputs and more. I already uploaded a dedicated video about the settings guide for this monitor. You can check that video later if you want to know more about the settings we get. This one also comes with speakers, but the speaker quality is pretty average. It's not super crisp and it's not very bad either. In this video, you are going to see the complete review of this BenQ 24-inch monitor after using it for almost a year. Yes, this is a very long-term review. I'll also tell you for how much price I bought this one at the end and for whom it is actually good. Coming to the model, it is the BenQ GW2490. If you also purchase this after watching this review, inside the box, you get this monitor followed by a 16 ampere power cable, one HDMI with version 1.4 cable, a warranty card. Yes, it is better than most Windows laptop speakers, but not as good as MacBooks. Since this panel supports a 100Hz refresh rate, yes, you can play games on this monitor. And there are no lags while playing. Some models have lag issues when connected through HDMI from a laptop, but I didn't face any such problems here. Coming to the height adjustment and rotation, we cannot do both on this one, guys. If in case you want free rotation and height adjustment, you need to invest in a table arm or wall mount that has those features. I already uploaded a video about one good table arm. You can check that later if you are interested in it. But we can tilt this monitor a bit to adjust the viewing angle. Also, this one comes with a 3-year warranty. So if any issues happen, you can contact customer support. Actually, I contacted customer support because of a power cable issue. The problem with this 3-pin plug is that it is not suitable for Indian sockets. The spacing between these 3 pins is much wider. So you need to invest in a small converter like this to use this monitor. Again, you can find all the links in the description box, so it's going to be very easy for you to purchase. So on the tab, the problem is the monitor was not drawing any power and I contacted customer service. They sent a person to inspect it. He just repaired the plug socket, I mean the external one that I had purchased separately. It had some issues. He solved the problem and nothing was charged. I mean, no money was taken. So everything was smooth if in case you want to contact BenQ customer support. And also, you need to contact them through the BenQ website only, not from Amazon or Flipkart. Also, in that website, you need to enroll for 3 years warranty. Another thing, on the back, we only get HDMI and display port, but not a single USB port, which I personally feel is compulsory for any external monitor. If in case you are using a MacBook, you already know the pain of needing additional ports. So for that, I purchased this hub for extra slots. The beauty part of this one is it comes with a Type-C connector, so I can directly attach it to the MacBook and connect HDMI as well. Before sharing the price, I want to tell for whom this one is good and made for. This external monitor is good for those who are fed up with 16-inch or 17-inch laptop screens. If in case you are using anything smaller than that, then it's applicable for you as well. Personally, I noticed the difference after shifting from 15.6-inch laptop screen to this. You get a bigger and better workspace to work and multitask if you want. Next, for video editors, gamers and general users, everyone can use this. Even for coders and traders, it is good. But for movie watchers, it's not ideal. You need a bigger display with a higher resolution. Also, it is the perfect size for small desks. I mean, if you are working very closely. If in case you're already using a 2K or 4K monitor and want a side monitor like horizontal or vertical mode just for tracking stuff or watching YouTube, yes, this one works. But it won't replace your main 2K or 4K monitor on the desk. You'll notice the quality as well as the sharpness instantly. Features wise, I'm pretty much impressed for the price I paid for this monitor. And there are no issues, not even a single issue that I have noticed till now on this one. Oh yeah, coming to the price, I bought this one for around 7,000 rupees after applying all the card offers on Amazon. Currently, it is listed at close to 9,000 rupees. We never know when the prices are going to change. I have added the link in the description box for this monitor. You can click there and check the latest pricing and offers currently running. So yeah, that's my overall review of this BenQ 24-inch external monitor. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check the links in the description box. It will help you find everything very easily if in case you want to buy anything that I talked in this video. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updated reviews like this in the future. Yeah, see you again in another video, guys.